Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you step by step on how to log into Brex, a financial platform designed specifically for businesses. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, this tutorial will make the login process simple and straightforward. 1. Visit the Brex website. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.brex.com and hit the Enter key to access the Brex homepage. 2. Locate the Login button. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a Login button. Click on it to proceed to the login page. 3. Enter your email address. In the provided field, input the email address associated with your Brex account. Ensure that you enter it correctly to avoid any issues. 4. Input your password. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Double-check that you are entering the correct credentials, as passwords are case-sensitive. 5. Select Remember Me, optional. If you're using a personal device and wish to stay logged in for future sessions, you can check the Remember Me box. Please do this with caution, especially if others have access to your device. 6. Click on the Login button. After filling in your email and password, click the Login button to access your Brex account. 7. Two-factor authentication, if enabled. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you will need to check your mobile device for the verification code. Enter this code in the provided field and click Verify. 8. Access your dashboard. Once logged in successfully, you will be directed to your Brex dashboard, where you can manage your company's finances and expenses. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide on how to log into Brex. We hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.